Still tracking Ian, now tropical storm out in the middle of the Atlantic. Good news there, Ian not coming our way whatsoever, and I'll show you the latest on Ian in just a minute. We also had our own tropical low to deal with, which continues to hold its own, and that's been bringing us some tropical downpours along the coast, even tropical storm force wind. It has been sustained at about 45 miles an hour up and down the coastline. We had gusty winds earlier today that ended up getting up close to 50 miles an hour in some cases with these storms. And here's how it looked as the rain came down. In Melbourne, 3 to 4 inches of rain in some places, and that caused some flooding. You can see the street flooded there. Cheryl shared this picture from Melbourne. I want to thank you so much, Cheryl, for verifying and showing us how rough it ended up getting there. We could get some more rain still over the next couple of days with some more tropical moisture still to come with this system. Let me go ahead and give you a tropical update, though, with Invest 95 coming off the coast of Africa. There's Ian, and that is Invest 93, which still has a possibility for formation. It has a little bit higher likelihood now, especially moving into warmer water. Well, first of all, focus on our Invest 95, which is just coming off the shore of Africa. It's very unorganized right now, but it has a lot of showers and storms with it. Very broad. Has a pretty good chance of forming, though, over the next several days. Wind up 30 miles an hour, northwest moving to 8, and it will continue to move westward. Next name on the list is Julia. Of course, the one that's closer to us could get that name if it continues to intensify and get over water. So we'll just see which one ends up getting to be called Julia, if either one of them does. Wind at 45 miles an hour for tropical storm Ian. It is still very lopsided. Convection to the northern part of where the circulation is. It's moving north-northwest at 610 and will continue to move northward, eventually curve northeast. So no need to worry there. It's away from us. It's on the other side of Bermuda, too. Here's Invest 93. Now, the center of circulation is over land, but it's moving to the north a little bit, and it may end up moving northeast after jaunting northwest a little bit, and that would put it over water. When you get the center of circulation over water, then it has a chance to intensify more. We can see the showers and storm plume building up again. Kind of weakened a little bit as it moved inland. It was very strong as it was offshore, and we continue to have tropical storm force wind up and down the coastline. So that's why there's a possibility for formation, especially once it gets offshore Georgia. Model data, not quite sure exactly what to do with this. We have them going all over the place. That's because we have high pressure blocking its movement for a while to the north. North moving at 10, 40 mile an hour wind at the moment, and the wave heights have been a little higher. We've had wave heights 6 to 7 feet offshore Flagler Beach to Volusia, and then down southward it gets a little less, 9 to 10 foot wave well offshore. So we're going to have temperatures down in the mid 70s tonight, kind of a break or a lull in the shower and storm activity. Then more showers and storms on Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures in the 80s to near 90 for most part. And that 70% chance of showers and storms for tomorrow goes to 60% on Thursday. And then we finally drop it as the storm system gets away and temperatures get back to normal for the weekend. I'll be back with another update top of the hour.